Hello po, ngayon ipapakita ko sa iyo yung different types of angles, okay? So, zero angle. So, ito yung illustration niya. So, okay po. So, next, syempre pag zero angle, syempre 0 degree. Next, acute. Pag acute, ang measurement ng acute is ang value nito ay less than 90 degrees. Okay po, less than 90 degrees ang acute. Next, pag right angle, ang measurement is always 90 degrees. Kapag obtuse angle naman, obtuse from the word obtuse. Obtuse, ang value ng measurement ng obtuse angle ay greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Next, straight angle. Pag straight angle, kalahati, pag hinati mo yung circle, syempre, 180 degrees. Reflex angle. Karamihan ng mga bata hindi alam yung reflex angle, okay? Ito ang pinagkaiba ng obtuse at saka reflex. Yung shaded part, yun yung tinatawag ng reflex angle. Yung reflex angle, ang measurement niya is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Full angle. Full. Pag sinabi na full, syempre, lahat ng buo yan. Buo full. Lahat. Bubuuin natin yung circle. Lahat. So, pag full angle, syempre, ang measurement ng or circumference ng circle is 360 degrees. Next, complementary angle. So, complementary angle, nag-share sila sa iisang angle. Okay? So, ang A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Nag-share. Complementary. Complement. Pag supplementary angle naman, iba ang complementary angle sa supplementary A, complementary at saka ano yan. So, ang measurement nito is A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Yung 180 degrees, hatiin mo. Yun ang tinatawag natin na supplementary angle.